So today I'm in Camden and I am going to show you a couple of places that you should go to if you're visiting for the first time. Camden is known to have great diversity and you'll find pretty much anything that you want here. But we're going to check out the food market first. So here we go. Camden is known for its street food, and Meathead is a popular Mexican grill spot because it has some incredible tacos. I ordered the chicken Chipotle tacos. Next we tried the Halloumi Fries, which had a lot of toppings including pomegranate, chili flakes, fresh mint and yogurt. We then went to the Latino fried chicken joint called El Pollote, which is multi-award winning for its fried chicken. We had the Guava drizzled covered chicken and it was absolutely delicious. As for dessert, we chose to have some churros with chocolate inside. It was absolutely delicious and it was a huge portion. At every corner you turn, you'll always see that there's a new place to eat at. Camden's also known for its vintage shops and modern shops, and it's definitely worth exploring as a town. You can practically find anything at Camden, anything that you desire, and Cyberstock is still standing around in case you want to visit. So everybody knows about this street food market in Camden, but there's also another one that's recently been built and we visited that one too. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and have a great day. I'll see you around.